Hi guys, it's Mohana and today I'm going to show you how you can easily replicate the Bollywood diva Priyanka Chopra's iconic red carpet look even if you're a beginner. If you're a believer in getting through the tricky parts first, then that's exactly what we're going to do now. So let's start with the eyes. As you can see in the image, she has a brown eyeshadow on as well as a graphic winged liner. Looks like she was probably the first one to do a graphic liner, and let's see how you can do it too. All you need to do to master the graphic winged eyeliner is draw on your simple normal winged eyeliner, and once you reach the tail end, just simply draw in a line towards the inner corner of your eye, giving your eyes a sleek, foxy look. The cheeks for this look are not so much about the blush and the girly charm, but rather about the strong, confident, sharp cheekbones. So I'm gonna show you how you can get that done with a bronzer. This look would really be incomplete without a precise and bold reddish brown lipstick, so I'm going to line my lips with a liner first to get a precise shape and then fill them in with a reddish lipstick and give it the bold look. So here's a bold and easy to do look that is fit for every red carpet, even for those of us who don't have the luxury of walking on them. So I hope you try this look out and let me know what you liked about this in the comments below. Click here to watch more makeup videos that I'm sure you'll love. Subscribe and remember to hit the bell icon so you never miss another glamorous update. Remember to check out our range of great skincare products on glamrs.com or the Purple app. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.